Hey friends, this is APE here. And welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that ApeCoin has formed a quite long-term falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that recently the price line is once again bounced very well from the support of this falling wedge pattern. And when it was testing the support of this wedge, you can see that the price line was forming lower than previous. So at the same time, RSI was into the oversold zone, and you can see that it was forming slightly higher low than previous low. At the same time, if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then you can see that RSI was also forming a higher low than previous low, like stochastic oscillator. And both oscillators were showing a bullish divergence signal. Therefore, the price line has followed this signal, and now it has bounced very well from the support of the wedge, and now moving towards the resistance. Here we have another downtrend line, a quite long-term downtrend line resistance that the price line found here. When we had this fake out from this wedge, the price line got rejected by this resistance in the month of March 2024, and since then it is not able to break out this resistance. And in today's video we will also analyze this resistance as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Strax, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade setup I shared on 20th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. You can see first the price line dropped down into the buying zone as predicted, and then we had a very nice reversal and read the sell target zone here. Now let me take you to the live chart of ApeCoin. And this is the weekly time frame chart, and here you can see that since after the month of March 2022, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And here, by the way, we had a fake out, but the price got rejected by this long-term resistance of $2.70. That was previously working as a support here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And at the same time, the price line also found another downtrend line resistance as well. And since then, you can see that we got several time rejection by this resistance, by this downtrend line resistance, and re-enter the same falling wedge pattern that was previously broken out. And such resistance, by the way, we found here from the month of April 2023 up till the month of October 2023. And you can see when it was getting rejected by this resistance and when it was dropped at the support of this wedge. At the same time, stochastic and RSI were already entered the oversold zone, and you can see that the price then finally bounced very well from the support of the wedge and broke out this resistance, but again got rejected by the resistance of the wedge. And after one rejection, we broke out the wedge, and that was in fact a fake out. And now we are moving inside this wedge once again, and we are getting rejected again and again by this downtrend and resistance, another quite similar to the previous one, this resistance we have found. And this time again, the price line hits the support of the falling wedge pattern. The stochastic was already entered the oversold zone. You can see that it was already moving in the oversold zone, and then the price line read the support of the wedge. At the same time, you can see that RSI just entered the oversold zone as well. And at the same time, you can see that both oscillators were also showing a bullish divergence as well, as the price line was forming lower than previous low, and stochastic and RSI oscillators were forming higher low than previous low, and it will both oscillators were moving to the upside, and the price then followed this signal, this double bullish divergence signal, and bounced very well. And now we are about to hit this downtrend line resistance once again, and now there is a very high probability that soon we may also break this resistance out as well. And if the price then breaks out this resistance, then an imminent move can be possible up to the resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well, somewhere here approximately at 65.4 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern, the technical target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.